Welcome, in front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto G55, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will show you a bunch of toggles, and then locate the power saving, battery saver, whatever it's named right here. For me it is on the third page right here, and it's called battery saver. Once you see it, you can tap on it. We have two options. We have standard battery saver and the maximum battery saver. Maximum one is the one where if you're stranded on an island you might want to turn on. Otherwise, in normal circumstances, if you're just trying to preserve a little bit of battery life, then you probably want this one, and you can select turn on. Now the maximum one basically kind of limits the usability of the device by a little bit and does much more aggressive power management in the background. Now once you're done needing the power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding this toggle once more, tapping on it once again, and you can see this reverts all the changes. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.